Hey everyone, welcome back to our SaaS building series. In the last video, we created a professional landing page for Virtual Style Salon and connected it to a custom domain. By the end of this video, you will have a complete user authentication system. Your users will be able to sign up, log in, and access their own personal dashboard. This is what separates a website from a real app. We're using Lovable Cloud to make this super easy. It's Lovable's built-in backend that uses Supabase under the hood. Supabase is a powerful database and authentication system. I'll leave links to both in the description. What this means for us is that we can add user accounts, store data, and build real app features without setting up any servers or databases ourselves. All the prompts are in the description below. Some links are affiliate links. If you want to support my work, using them helps me a lot and doesn't cost you anything extra. Let's build this. To enable Lovable Cloud, go to your project settings and click on Enable Lovable Cloud. It'll automatically set up a Supabase project for you. See this? We now have access to authentication, database, and file storage. This is everything we need to build a real SaaS. All right, now let's create our authentication system. I'm going to paste in my first prompt. Remember, all of these are in the description below. Let me read through the key parts. Enable Lovable Cloud with Supabase integration. Then, create a complete authentication system with a sign-up page that has email, password with strength indicator, confirm password, full name, and salon name fields. I'm also asking for a sign-in page with Remember Me checkbox and Forgot Password link, and a Forgot Password page, all using our purple color scheme and mobile responsive. Let me paste this in. Look at this! We now have a complete sign-up page with all the fields we need: email, password, name, and salon name. Notice the password strength indicator? That's a nice touch that makes it feel professional. And here's the sign-in page. Clean, simple, matches our design perfectly. Let me test this real quick. I'll create an account with a test email. Boom, account created. Now when I log in with these credentials, I'm authenticated. But wait, we need somewhere for users to go after they log in. Let's create that dashboard. Now for the fun part, the dashboard. This is what users see after they log in. Here's my second prompt. Again, copy it from the description. Create a protected dashboard page that users see after logging in. Top navigation bar with Virtual Style Salon logo on the left, user's name and avatar on the right with a drop-down menu. I'm also asking for a sidebar with navigation, dashboard, new style preview, my clients, style library, settings, and the main content area with welcome message, stats cards, and quick action buttons. The key part here is protected. Only logged-in users should see this. This is incredible. We've got a full dashboard with navigation, user menu, stats cards, and it's all protected, meaning only logged-in users can see it. Watch what happens if I log out and try to access the dashboard directly. See? It redirects me to log in. Perfect security. Now let's add the settings page so users can manage their profile. Here's prompt 3. Create a settings page with profile management, profile section with picture upload, editable name and salon name, phone number, password section to change password, and a danger zone with delete account option. Now users can update their profile picture, change their name, update their password. Everything a real app needs. Let me show you the complete flow now. First, a new user lands on our landing page. They click Start Free Trial. They fill out the sign-up form with their salon info. They get redirected to their personal dashboard. They can navigate around, check their stats, update their profile and settings, and they can log out and log back in anytime. This is a real authentication system that would have taken a developer days or weeks to build from scratch. We did it with 3 prompts. And that's it. You now have a complete user authentication system for your SaaS. Users can sign up, log in, and manage their profiles. Exactly what I promised at the beginning. All 3 prompts are in the description. If you want to support the channel, use the affiliate links down there. It doesn't cost you anything extra. In the next video, we're going to add email functionality using Resend. When someone signs up, they'll get a beautiful welcome email, just like the professional apps you use every day. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I read all of them. Until the next video,